All right, hello everybody. Thanks so much for joining me. My name is Michael, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day so far. We're going to be jumping back into Python crash course and doing a demo of the Try It Yourself problem 5-7, favorite fruit. Make a list of your favorite fruits and then write a series of independent if statements and check for certain fruits in your list. Make a list of your 3 favorite fruits and call it favorite fruits. Write 5 if statements to check whether a certain kind of fruit is in your list. If the fruit is in the list, the if block should print a statement such as, you really like bananas. Okay. Let's go ahead and make a list of favorite fruits. Let's set that equal to a list using brackets, right? Brackets make the lists. And we're going to a list of strings, right, for various fruit names. So we're going to have apple. We're going to have, quote, orange. We're going to have, quote, pear, right? 3 fruits. We're going to write 5 if statements to test whether certain fruit strings are in our actual favorite fruit lists. So let's write if, quote, grape in favorite fruits, print, you really like grapes. We want to write if statements here, not elif statements, because we want to strictly evaluate each one and print each one if it is true. We don't want to jump out or end our sequence early if we evaluate a condition to be true. We want to actually go across and evaluate every single condition despite previous conditions being true. So if, quote, apple in favorite fruits, print, you really like apples. Let's do some backslash n's here. Let's then copy this down and we'll do it for the other variables in our list. So orange and oranges and pears, right? So we're asking if apples in our favorite fruits will print that we really like apples. If oranges in our favorite fruits, then we'll print you really like oranges. And if pear in favorite fruits, you really like pears. So let's actually make these plural for consistency. Add in some exclamation marks. And if I run this program, what do you think will be printed? Well, because grapes is not in our favorite fruits, this print statement will not evaluate. Because apples is in our favorite fruits, this will display to the terminal. Because this is an if statement, we will evaluate this statement despite having found a true statement above. This is not an elif statement chain. If oranges in favorite fruits, you really like oranges. Well, oranges is in there, so this will print. And pears, the same story. So I think this will print all 3 of these statements back to back to back. And boom. You really like apples, you really like oranges, and you really like pears. As you can see, grapes is a void from this print because grapes is not located or found within our favorite fruits list of strings. All right, you guys, this was 5-7 favorite fruit. Thanks so much for being here and hanging out with me. I'll see you guys in the next one.